In small and mid-sized cities, emergency responders often face big city challenges with fewer hands, tighter budgets, and longer response times. Every second counts in an emergency, but when every mile is extra ground to cover, how do you respond faster, safer, and smarter? That is where the UAVs or drones can change the game. Here are the benefits. Instant eyes in the sky for better situational awareness. Search and rescue in dense forests or open fields, fast. Thermal imaging to locate heat signatures during fires or missing persons cases. Aerial overwatch for high-risk law enforcement operations. Supply drops in unreachable or dangerous zones. In cities without helicopters or large fleets, drones offer an affordable aerial advantage, helping responders make better decisions before boots even hit the ground. No department is too small to benefit from drone tech. With the right tools, you can. Save lives, protect your teams, respond smarter. The next emergency could happen tomorrow. Is your city ready to respond from the sky? Drone Skyhook, built for responders, ready for anything.